Hey guys, my first stop on my tour is Eiffel Tower. It takes 1,710 steps to get to the top. This was the tallest building for 41 years. It's about 1,050 feet tall. I chose this because I'd love to get up to the observatory at the top. And boom, we did it! We made it to Paris. This was our edit. The second stop on my tour was the Sydney Opera House. A couple of interesting things. It took 1,000,000 roof tiles to actually build this. It's bigger than it looks. 380s could go on top of that wing to wing. And something kind of interesting about that, in 1980, Arnold Schwarzenegger actually won Mr. Olympia there, so they do all kinds of stuff there. Here's the street view. And I chose this one so we could just see the beautiful surroundings, the bridge and the waterfront and this amazing architecture too. My last stop brings us to the Great Pyramids in Giza. I chose this one because I think it's amazing that for 4,000 years this was the tallest structure all the way until the 13th century. And I also chose this because there's just something mystical about it, and I would love to get inside that. And there's our edit. We actually did, and it was amazing. And I hope you guys liked our tour. Thanks for watching.